Hi all. Today our topic is the past continuous tense. It's one of the important tenses as far as the speaker is concerned. Actually, many of us know how to use the past continuous tense, but we want to know more uses of the past continuous tense. And in today's class, we are learning the formulation and its 8 uses. First of all, we can learn how to formulate the past continuous tense. The formulation, the structure is subject plus was or were plus ing from of V1. If the subject is plural, were. If it is singular, was. With I, was. With you, were. We can define this tense in many ways. She was making food. She was making food. My brother was cleaning his room. My sister was cleaning her room. My brother and sister were cleaning their rooms. Here, the subject is plural, so were has been used. Now we can learn the uses of the past continuous tense. An action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. It's one of the important uses of the past continuous tense. For example, yesterday at this time I was waiting for you. Here I have said one sentence which was in progress at a specific time in the past. A change or growth in the past. We can use this past continuous tense to talk about a change or growth in the past. For example, I was becoming fluent. Here it was a change. I started to go for a course. As a result, I was becoming fluent. The past continuous tense with the past continuous tense. That means we can use the past continuous tense with the past continuous tense to talk about two actions happening at the same time. For example, when she was making coffee, I was cleaning my room. Here, two actions were happening at the same time. Temporary actions in the past. That means we can use the past continuous tense to talk about temporary actions in the past. For example, repetition or irritation. We can use the past continuous tense to talk about the repetition or irritation in the past. For example, an action that happened again and again. We can use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that happened again and again in the past. For example, the simple past tense with the past continuous tense. That means we can use the simple past tense with the past continuous tense. Here, the simple past tense is used to talk about a short action, and the past continuous tense is used to talk about a long action. For example, when she came, I was waiting for her. When she came, I was waiting for her. Describing the scene in a story. That means we can use the past continuous tense to describe the scene in a story. For example,